Okay, hi friends. We are going to see the next program, that is find the sum of digit in number. Okay, so let's consider. I will give 1, 2, 3. So these are the three digits, and I want to do the sum of these three digits. Let's 1 plus 2 plus 3. So how much it is going to say 6. So in this way, we are going to do the programs, and we find the sum of the given digit numbers. So first we are going to take the number input. Okay, so I will say now integer input. Please enter the number, not numbers, number. Okay, so first we're going to check, we're going to define one variable, that is total. It should be always 0. Okay, now we are going to define next things. It's here we can use the for loop or we can use the while loop, but while loop is number best. Okay, so why we going to choose the while loop? Because here we don't know the what is the end conditions. Okay, first time you can give the 2-digit number, maybe you can give the 4-digit number, we can give the 7-digit number. So the last condition, here we don't know the condition. So whenever you're going to use the for loop or whenever you're going to use while loop, there are only one condition, that if you know the condition, if you know the size or length of data, then you can go for the for loop. But if you don't know the size and length of the data, then you can go for the while loop. Okay, so we're going to check just while given number is greater than 0. Okay, if the number is given greater than 0, then going to run it. So first we're going to get it one by one digit. If I want to extract the number 3, okay, if I want to extract the number 3, so I want to just 1 through 3 divide by 10, so I will get the 3. So we just do the calculation. 1, 2, 3 divided by 10, we get the 3. Okay, so we're going to save into the next invariable. So I will say dig is equal to num divided by 10, num divided by 10, store into digit. Okay, so next we're going to add the number into the total. Okay, so whatever the total, it's similar like the program like the reverse number, just to think differently. Okay, and after that we just going to divide the number, or we just check the quotient. Yeah, sorry, we just check the remainder of the number. So number is equal to num by 10, and after that we just going to print the sum of digit. Sum of digit number is total. Okay, so we just check it. I will give 1, 2, 3. Sum is 6. Okay, so we're going to understand first. We're going to put the number 1, 2, 3. Total is always 0. Number is greater than 0. It's 2. First come here. So here will be actual condition is like this. dig d equal to equal to 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. Okay, so what will be output is 3. Okay, 3 is going to save into the digit number. Here in this next stage, total is 0. Okay, so total equal to, total is 0, 0 plus digit is 3. So how much is going to save? It's 3 here. Now num divided by 10. Okay, so we just, I think we cannot here double. 1, 2, 3 by 10. Okay, so 2 by 3 by divided by 2. Okay, so here we need to just check it. 1, 2, 3 double divided by 10. Okay, it's give the remainder is a 12. Okay, now comes to number is at 12. So here we just get the 12 number, because whatever the number divided by 10 is, we get the 12. So value assigned to the 12, value assigned going to the num, comes to here, this stage comes to here, number is still greater than 0, num divided by 10, we get the 2 here. Okay, so already digit is 3. Now we get add to 2 is 5. Now we get the number 1, so we get the number 1 here, still number is greater than 1. Okay, so we'll get the value 1, still number is greater than num is greater than 1, so number is greater than 0. Come here, num divided by 10 is equal to 1, means 1 divided by 10 is going to give the 10, sorry 1. So number will be here like 1. Already total has 5 numbers. Now going to add 1 is going to say 6, and now comes to here is no value, so 0 divided by 10, 0. Comes to this condition, num is greater than 0, no, it's less than 0, so it's out of the loop and print the total value, that is 1 2 3. So you want to check on other things. What happened? Oh, sorry, I just, okay, I'll just, so that is the total sum of this given digit numbers. So simply just we need to divide the number by 10 and just check the remainder. Okay, so at the end moment check the remainder, and based on remainder we need to run the loop. That's it. Okay, thanks watching my YouTube channel and my video. Please do subscribe, comment and like.